Right, so today I'm going to be going over a coin that we all should be looking at, and if you're not looking at it, I don't know why you're not. So my name is Mo Crypto. It's my first video, and hopefully we can get into a routine of where I make a daily video every single day on a new cryptocurrency that we should all be looking at, and hopefully we can all benefit together as a community by hodling and taking all these coins to the moon. Right, so Kucoin token. If you haven't heard of it, then I don't know why. You need to have heard of it by now. This token is absolutely going to be doing bits in the future. So right now it's at $5.46. It's broke the $5 mark a day or two ago. Its market cap's at 437 million. I'm going to come back to why that's so important in a little bit. And the volume is 76 million. Okay, if we look at the markets that you can buy it from, you can buy it from Kucoin itself, because Kucoin is an exchange itself. Okay, so without further ado, let's go onto their own website. Let's have a look at what they're all about. So you can buy cryptocurrencies here, you can buy altcoins from here, and it's just a really secure exchange as well. It's one of the biggest out there. It's got plenty of reviews, and yeah, people tend to always have good opinions about KuCoin. So why should you invest in KuCoin just generally? Okay, the first thing is that right now it's incredibly undervalued. As we know, crypto is going to get bigger. As of now in 2021, Bitcoin is doing amazingly well, and if we look at KuCoin, KuCoin's only gonna increase as well. Just because if people are going to get into altcoins, if they're going to get into Bitcoin, then they need something to exchange it on. And Binance, you can see, is getting huge, and we're going to do a Binance comparison later on. Binance is getting huge, and therefore we can see KuCoin following its steps later on in the future. Okay, so there, it's a solid investment. It's always going to be needed. It's not just one of those meme coins, and yeah, that's why we should all be looking at it. The next thing is a huge feature that I love about KuCoin is that you get a daily dividend. So right now at this moment in time, you can approximate that to approximately 30% of your holdings you'll get back per year. So daily you'll get a dividend, and across the year it's going to add up to pretty much 30% at this moment in time. It will increase as the price increases of the coin, and we're all just going to benefit from that. And it's just because KuCoin likes to share out their profits. So however well the company does on the day in terms of trading volume, the more dividends you will get, and the higher your dividend will be on that day. So yeah, KuCoin bonuses are a huge thing. The next thing is you get lower fees on their exchange. So whenever you're trading on the exchange, you're going to save money there as well. What's not to like? The next thing is on the 25th of February. So I'm recording this on the 24th, 25th of February. This is why you need to buy it now. 25th of February, they're going to be doing a burn. So they're going to be buying back 605,000 USD tether worth of coin, and they're going to be burning them. So essentially supply is going to go down, demand's going to go up, and we all know that's all good for the price. So 100% this is something that we need to be looking at right now. The next thing is that this coin at the minute we saw earlier was only on KuCoin exchange. You couldn't really buy it anywhere else. KuCoin have announced that they will this year aim to get it on 5 major exchanges as well. So of course, when it's more accessible to people, more people are going to find out about it. It's going to become more mainstream, and we're all going to profit from that. So there we go. We've gone through that. And the next thing is I just want to look at the charts quickly. So if we look at the charts at the minute, if I zoom all the way out, let's go on the weekly price range. You're gonna see that in January 2018, the coin was at an all-time high of about $20, right? So that means at this moment in time, it's not even at its peak. Okay, it's not even where it was 2-3 years ago. So it's got a long way to climb to get there, and we know essentially if it's been there before in this current market, in this current bullish market, it's going to go even higher. So yeah, that's another thing that we can have a look at. So right now I just want to have a look at the graphs and the entry points that we can look at on the 1 hour mark point. Okay, I've just drawn some trend lines here, and you can see that they've been hitting off the bottom trend line, and they've been hitting above, hitting underneath this one. So you can see as it went up, it's bounced back down, and then once it went past that trend line, it skyrocketed up there again, then it bounced back off, it went up, then down again. Once it went past it again, it went down, hit this trend line, it went back up. And as you can see right now at this moment in time of recording it, at about $5.35, it just went back up again. So right now I'm predicting that it's going to go way up again, and with all this news that I've just mentioned before, there's no reason for it not to skyrocket, easily get to about $10. I'm going to go through some price predictions as well for you hodlers out there, so stay tuned for that. The next thing that I want to look at is Binance Coin. So Binance is one of the biggest exchanges out there. It's probably the most well known, and just look at the price. It's at $245. Okay, if a coin is at $245 right now and is pretty much doing the same things as Kucoin, then what's to say Kucoin can't get anywhere near that? The next thing that I wanted to mention was the market cap. The market cap that Binance Coin is at right now is 37 billion. Okay, 37 billion. That's 100 times what Kucoin is at the minute. So if you think about it, KuCoin if KuCoin even gets 10% of Binance's market cap, is going to increase 10 times. Okay, increase 10 times from $5, that is a $50 value per KuCoin. So this market cap, it shows you the potential. It shows you the potential of what this coin could be in a few years time, and you can see the volume of it being traded as well. If KuCoin became a big exchange, then its volume is going to increase as well, because it will be used it'll be used for trading fees. So KuCoin is just an amazing coin to hold. And let's get to my predictions now. So predictions, I'm gonna say that if we hit a $4.5 billion market cap, that's a 10 times increase. It's going to be approximately at $50, and we can say from this point on it's going to be a 10 times increase. Okay, after that, if we hit a $9 billion market cap, I'm going to say this will probably take a year and a half. We can expect it to be at $100, 20 times increase. And then if we get it to the point that Binance is at right now with a $40 billion market cap, the coin will be valued at $400, which is an 80 times increase from right now, which is phenomenal. Okay, so you can see all the value from this coin, and just imagine if you just keep it, the bonuses that you'll get enough will bring you loads of profit anyways. Okay, so these are sort of long-term predictions, but minimum, I'm gonna say that its all-time high was at $20. There's no reason that it shouldn't reach that. So if it reaches that $20, you're expecting a 4 times increase. So you guys should be investing in this coin right now. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that first video. I'm going to be making tons more content, so please subscribe, like the video. It's really going to help me in the future, and stay tuned for more videos from more crypto. Thank you very much.